Looking like a pretty good day here today after a kind of a rough go yesterday with the severe weather risk that lingered into the evening. We saw a lot of damaging storms north of us through Iowa into Chicago. Quiet start here this morning, sitting at 71 with a high dew point though, so cooler temperatures, but you're going to feel muggy as you walk out the door here this morning. Again, looks like 69 up here northeast part of town, 72 downtown, 73 over in DeSoto. Those temperatures just expected to rise today. You're going to head up to about a high of 88 by 4 o'clock this afternoon. Can't rule out an isolated chance of a little pop-up shower or thunderstorm later on this afternoon. We're seeing a few of those happen to the east of town. We'll show you with a live power Doppler here in just a minute. But our high temperatures for the next 5 days, pretty much right around average here. Normal high temperature 88. Again, you can see 88 for today, 89 tomorrow. And then as we head towards the weekend, looks like upper 80s, lower 90s expected. Here's those storms starting to fire up here just to the east of town. Nothing severe in nature, but out towards Sedalia, Boonville, Columbia, Missouri. Those storms moving east along I-70 out towards St. Louis. And again, no severe risk for us today. That severe risk is up to the northwest of town. If you have outdoor events tonight, I think go ahead, plan them, have at it. Tuesday today looking pretty good. Wednesday, not expecting any rain in your forecast. However, Thursday could be our next chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Here's the system that's moving towards the south from last night through this morning. We'll pause at about 9 o'clock tonight. And there's some isolated stuff here kind of trying to form around Kansas City, but that's then going to move out and leave us for a rest of the dry evening and a dry tomorrow. Security Bank 7-day forecast. Again, can't rule out a 20% chance of shower or thunderstorm. 88 today, 89 tomorrow. Next best chance of rain comes on Thursday with a 50% chance and highs in the upper 80s.